Troops sent into Ukraine to back up Russian forces say they had no choice but to leave because Russian military was in shambles and they deceived us at every step. Soldiers from the breakaway state of South Ossetia speaking to South Ossetian leader Anatoly Bibalov at a meeting publicized by the independent news outlet. Media's owner rattled off a list of complaints about faulty equipment, lack of leadership and intel, and brainless tactics. South Ossetia, which relies heavily on military and financial aid from Russia, sent troops to Ukraine in late March to defend Russia. Ukrainian military officials said at the time that some 150 South Ossetian troops were joining forces with Russia, but Tskhinvali never gave any official figures. Many of the soldiers are said to be part of Russian military units based in South Ossetia. Moscow and Tskhinvali struck a deal in 2017 to partially incorporate their armed forces. But reports soon surfaced of many of them refusing to take part in the fight, vowing not to become cannon fodder. Nobody got scared here, it's just that they deceived us at every step, one of the soldiers told Bibalov of their decision to abandon the fight. Of the 11 days that we were there, I wouldn't even wish on an enemy what happened there. All the equipment didn't work, I'm telling you straight. There was no command staff, another soldier told the South Ossetian leader. Out of 10 tanks, the first soldier said, only 3 fired. The artillery mortar for the mortar gunners didn't work, the legs were all crooked, he said. There was no command. And if the officers didn't know what to do, what is the sergeant doing there? Another soldier was quoted saying. He said 99% of the equipment in another unit didn't even work, but when the troops warned the senior in command that their vehicles didn't work and their guns did not fire, he shrugged it off and said to just go like that. In another case, troops complained of their commander disappearing every time fighting started. He was afraid of his own men. He made himself a security team out of a few of the guys. The commander refused to come out and talk to his own guys and was saying that he'd be beaten, one soldier said. Eventually, some guys from special forces really did beat him and left his face all bloody, he said. They said the Russian troops never had backup plans or escape routes. Another soldier said one of his wounded comrades in Russian-occupied Donetsk was getting no medical care. He says that the first day they bandaged him, but there's still shrapnel inside him. He says his hand is very swollen and nobody is doing anything, the doctors aren't even coming to see him. He's been there for 5 days and the doctors are only asking him for money, he said. After hearing the soldiers paint a picture of such utter dysfunction, Bibalov asked the men directly if they believe Russia will lose the war. One soldier spoke up. Yes, we believe they will lose.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.